What's happening, guys? Welcome back. It's Antonio again. We are up on the front porch, a roof. One of my clients from several years ago, he had an issue with water pouring over the gutter right where the gutter meets the house. It's a very steep pitched roof. I would say it's probably a 10 by 12 or a 12 by 12 pitch. So the water was flying down. I'm going to show you in a minute. Just blowing right off the roof all over and getting all over the front doorway here, creating quite a mess. So here, let me turn the camera around so you can get an idea. So I installed this not too long ago, this diverter system. It keeps the water from blowing off over the roof. Okay, I do a lot of these. So it was blowing off the roof. As you can see, the front doorway is down here, creating a lot of mischief. So yeah, this is a big problem in a lot of homes with high pitched roofs. So you know, you can make a diverter right in the back of your truck. They also sell diverters you can buy, but sometimes you have to custom make them on the job. But this will alleviate a lot of water issues shooting over the roof, where you have a high flow of water during big storms and when you have a high pitched roof. So if you're having that problem, guys, call your local gutter company. They should be able to help you out, even your roofing company, or call me. All right, you guys, just a little quick tip. Hope everybody's doing well, and we'll see you soon.